Ever found yourself scrolling through banking options in Nigeria, maybe even heard whispers about Brilliant Bank, and then thought, wait, isn't that Equity Bank? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up quite a bit, and today we're diving deep to clear up any confusion. Now, to understand this, we need a little context about the banking landscape here in Nigeria. Over the years, we've seen various banks emerge, evolve, and sometimes even merge or rebrand. This can make it tricky to keep track of who's who and what's what. You might remember a time when certain banks had different names or focused on specific areas. This historical context is key to understanding the relationship, or lack thereof, between Equity Bank and this Brilliant Bank you might have heard about. Let's tackle the Brilliant Bank part first. While you might have encountered this name in discussions, perhaps online or through word of mouth, there isn't currently a licensed commercial bank operating in Nigeria officially registered under the name Brilliant Bank. It's possible this could be a nickname, a misremembered name, or even a reference to a specific product or service offered by another financial institution. Sometimes, marketing campaigns or catchy slogans can stick in our minds, leading us to associate them with a bank name. Now, let's talk about Equity Bank. Equity Bank is a well-established and reputable financial institution with a significant presence in East Africa. Headquartered in Kenya, it has expanded its operations to several other countries in the region. However, as of today, and to the best of our knowledge, Equity Bank does not currently have operations or a licensed banking subsidiary in Nigeria. So, if Equity Bank isn't Brilliant Bank and Equity Bank doesn't currently operate in Nigeria, where might this confusion stem from? There are a few potential reasons. Firstly, as mentioned earlier, the Nigerian banking sector has seen its fair share of changes. It's possible that Brilliant Bank was a name associated with a smaller financial institution in the past that may have since been acquired or rebranded. Without more specific information about Brilliant Bank, it's difficult to pinpoint its exact history. Secondly, there might be a confusion with other financial institutions operating in Nigeria. The names of banks can sometimes sound similar, or they might offer similar types of services, leading to unintentional mix-ups. It's always a good idea to double-check the official names and logos of banks to avoid any confusion. Thirdly, the term brilliant is a positive adjective, and people might use it informally to describe a bank they perceive as excellent or innovative. It's possible that someone used this term when referring to a specific Nigerian bank known for its services or technology, and that nickname stuck in certain circles. Finally, with the increasing interconnectedness of the world, information about banks operating in other African countries can sometimes circulate within Nigeria. It's possible that the strong reputation and positive perception of Equity Bank in East Africa might lead some to mistakenly believe it also operates under a different name, like Brilliant Bank in Nigeria. Therefore, to answer the initial question definitively, no, Equity Bank is not the same as Brilliant Bank in the context of the current Nigerian banking landscape. Equity Bank is a major East African bank that, as of now, does not have operations in Nigeria under its own name or any other. Brilliant Bank, on the other hand, does not appear to be a currently registered and licensed commercial bank in Nigeria. If you're looking for banking services in Nigeria, it's always best to refer to the official lists of licensed commercial banks provided by the Central Bank of Nigeria. This will ensure you're dealing with legitimate and regulated financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.